The final frontier of space has always been shrouded in mystery and awe-inspiring wonder. With each passing year, we continue to unravel secrets of the universe through the exploration of the cosmos. So don't go anywhere, because today we'll be revealing the top 10 incredible facts about space that will leave you in awe of the vastness and complexity of the universe. Number 1. Space is completely silent. Space is absolutely silent, in contrast to what we see in science fiction films. Since space is a vacuum, sound waves cannot move through it because they need a medium to do so, such as air or water. As a result, even when standing next to one another, astronauts in space are unable to hear anything. Number 2. The Sun makes up 99.86% of the mass of our solar system. The Sun, the greatest object in our solar system, accounts for an astounding 99.86% of the solar system's mass. This means that all the planets, moons, asteroids, and comets combined only make up 0.14% of the mass of our solar system. Number 3. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. The universe is vast, and it contains an estimated 100 billion galaxies, each with billions of stars. This indicates that there are more stars in the universe than there are sand grains on all of Earth's beaches. Number 4. The tallest mountain in the solar system is on Mars. While Earth has Mount Everest, the tallest mountain in the solar system is actually on Mars. Olympus Mons, a shield volcano on Mars, is a stunning 22 kilometers, 14 miles high, making it 3 times higher than Mount Everest. Number 5. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Venus appears to be an extremely active planet. It has volcanoes and mountains. Venus is around the same size as Earth. The size of the Earth is slightly larger. Venus is unique in that it rotates in the opposite direction from Earth and the majority of other planets. Furthermore, it rotates quite slowly. It takes about 243 Earth days to spin around just once. A year passes quite quickly since it is so close to the Sun. For Venus to complete one orbit of the Sun, it takes 225 Earth days. This implies that a day on Venus is slightly longer than a year there. Number 6. There is a planet made entirely of diamond. At a distance of 40 light-years from Earth, scientists have found a planet called 55 Shankar. This planet is entirely formed of diamonds and is twice the size of Earth. It is estimated that this planet contains 10 times the mass of Earth in diamonds. Number 7. The sunset on Mars appears blue. On Earth, we typically think of sunsets as being brilliant shades of orange and yellow. But did you know that on Mars, the sunset is blue? It is correct. The distance between Mars and the Sun and the way light scatters when it enters Mars' atmosphere are 2 factors that are very different from those on Earth that contribute to this. In fact, we could say that the sunsets are polar opposites, because while on Earth the sky is typically blue and turns orange at sunset, on Mars the sky is typically orangey brown and turns blue at sunset. Number 8. The hottest planet in our solar system is 462 degrees Celsius. Due to its reddish hue, some may have assumed that Mars is the hottest planet in the solar system. It doesn't necessarily make it the hottest though, simply because it is red. Even though Mercury receives more direct heat from the Sun than any other planet because of its proximity, it is not the hottest. No matter where you are on the planet, Venus's temperature, which is 462 degrees Celsius, remains constant. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is the solar system's hottest planet. Number 9. There are rogue planets that float through space alone. Despite the fact that it would be simple to assume that all planets circle stars similar to those in our solar system, this is not always the case. Rogue planets are those found outside of our galaxy. These planets are floating in space alone and orbit the galactic center. They do not orbit any stars. These enigmatic cosmic objects are similar in mass to the planets in our solar system, but instead of orbiting a star, they move around freely on their own. Every year, new rogue planets are found. Number 10. The moon turns red during a lunar eclipse. While this does not happen with every lunar eclipse, it is possible and very common for the moon to change to a shade of red as it passes through the Earth's shadow during a lunar eclipse. This is where the phrase blood moon originates. Rayleigh scattering is the phenomenon that causes our sky to be blue and also colours the moon red. With that, we conclude today's video. Let us know which amazing facts about space surprise you the most.